Hello everyone, myself Namrata Satpathy from Soulscraft. Welcome all of you. Today we are going to see how your week will be from 7th June 2021 to 13th June 2021 is going to be. Here are your three piles. Pile number 1 is peace, pile number 2 is enjoy, and pile number 3 is smile. So now I hope you are pretty clear how to choose your piles. Close your eyes. Connect with your God, goddesses, your guardian angels, your divine spirit guide, your spiritual team, and ask them, what is the guidance for me? Please help me to choose. And then whatever comes to you, choose that pile. Might be some messages there for you. I'll see you with pile number 1. Hello and welcome pile number 1. All of you, those who choose this peace fridge magnet, here is the guidance for you. So what I came to know through the cards is this week from 7th to 13th June 2021, it seems to be a lot of movement will happen in your life. You may travel from one place to another for some, might be for some work related, or maybe a lot of internal movement may happen. So yes, chances are both way. Also I am getting like you are able to balance both the worlds. Chances are also there that you may travel to visit some temple or some divine place. Also you will feel confident. You feel like a star, and also you may use some stick or pen. So quite possibility that you plan your week ahead by writing or maybe doing some journaling kind of work. So in this lot of movement and action packed week, you will plan a lot. Sometimes it may so happen that it doesn't go as per what we are planning and willing and wishing. So in that case, chances may be that anxiety may appear, but please do not get disheartened, because you are getting opportunities. You will get some opportunities. Please look towards that. Don't go into that anxiety or depression zone. Rather visualize what you where you can focus upon, because wherever you will focus, wherever you will put your attention and energy, that thing will only grow. Now it's totally up to your choice where you want to focus your attention, because I sense that lots of opportunity may appear and comes. So you just have to see and grab them. And also you have to come out of your limitation, as you are anyway divinely protected and guided. So you just have to trust and coming out of your own limitation. That is the only thing which you have to do. Once you will do that, definitely lots and lots and lots of blossoming will happen. Okay, lots of divine healing also possible. You feel more confident, and I feel like you may also feel kind of gaining lot of wisdom. Okay, you feel intuitive as well. So let me know whether this thing happened with you or not. Till that time, have peace guys. Bye bye, take care. Hello pile number 2. All of you, those who choose this enjoy fridge magnet, enjoy. Total, that is what what I am getting from these cards. Like you will spend your time, you will spend your week in total enjoyment, and that too all kind of emotional enjoyment. Lot of celebration is what showing up in your week ahead. Lot of creativity and abundance will definitely take place. Okay, and one thing is for sure, that maybe some kind of battle, chances maybe some legal battle, you will win, you may win. Also, before signing any contract, please don't sign it blindly. That's what coming so strongly. So take that paperwork properly. Do that paperwork properly. Don't simply blindly trust and sign and all. Okay, so take proper balance of like what will happen if you will do this and what will happen if you will not do this. And also, I feel you will spend a lot of time in creativity, in home life, personal life, in that way. And also, this may happen because your consciousness is so expanded now. You know, like you are able to join all the dots. Okay, so that thing will excites you so much, which leads to abundance, which leads to prosperity. Okay, so yes, pretty well card, pretty well week ahead. Good luck. So it's totally time for your great creativity. You can even give birth to some new projects. Chances are also there you may become a parent. So follow your passion and prosperity will definitely manifest for you. Till that time, enjoy guys. Bye bye. Take care. Hello pile number 3, all of you those who choose this smile fridge magnet, here is the guidance for you. So this week from 7th to 13th June, I feel your week will be like you planned a lot. Now you are waiting for some great opportunity, might be international as well. Okay, and in doing so you will get loads of support, like you are confident, you are having that support. So just you have to take that action. Don't plan for long time. If plan A is not working, go ahead and implement plan B. So you just have to take charge and you have to walk your talk. So it's not like you are speaking something and taking some different action. Okay, so I feel this week is totally your courage week. You have to show a lot of courage, and for that you have to call upon Archangel Michael. So you just have to say, Archangel Michael, please provide me your protection, please provide me that divine courage so that I can take next step. Now during all these plannings and taking steps and in that workaholic zone, don't forget to give some time to your emotional life as well. Chances may be someone from past may appear, or maybe you will receive kind of love or flowers or something which is related to kind of marriage proposals. So just simply don't overlook it. See what is good for you. If you will choose this and if you will not choose this, then what will happen. So in planning and preparing your action plan, don't forget to live your personal life. So have a smile. Bye bye. Take care.